everyone, welcome back to Universal Group of Institutions. I'm Lavanya. In the last video, we discussed NCERT Grade 7th, 7th chapter, which is transportation in animals and plants. So we covered till circulation in animals. So now let's move on to the second transportation mechanism, which is excretion in animals. So how the body removes toxic waste, and which is a vital life process. So every cell in our body performs numerous chemical reactions, right? From breaking down nutrients, generating energy, building tissues, repairing the damaged tissues also. So with these processes, toxic waste is produced inside our every cell. So some of the example of cellular waste includes urea, carbon dioxide, water, and excess of salt. So if these waste accumulates, they can become harmful and even poisonous. So thus the body need a dedicated system to collect these, filter and remove these waste. So this system is called as excretory system or excretion. So let us first understand the organs which is involved in the excretion or excretory system. So first is the kidney. So kidney removes nitrogenous waste and excess of water. Kidney also helps in removing nitrogenous waste and excess of water, which helps in filtering blood and also reabsorb the minerals from the waste while removing the waste as urine. Let us first understand the organs involved in the excretory system or excretion. So first one is kidney, which removes nitrogenous waste and excess water. Second one is uterus, which transports urine to the bladder. Third one is the urinary bladder, which stores urine. Fourth, urethra, which removes urine from the body. Fifth, lungs, which remove carbon dioxide and water vapor. Sixth is skin, which removes sweat. And seventh one is the liver, which converts ammonia into urea. So these are the organs which are involved. So human excretory system consists of four major parts. So the human excretory system consists of four major parts. First one is kidney. So the kidney are the most important organ in this system, where each kidney consists of nearly 1 million nephron. It consists of 1 million nephrons. It consists of 1 million nephrons, and a nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. So kidney help in the filtration of blood, remove the harmful substance, reabsorb useful materials or the nutrients while converting the waste, and remove the excess of water into urine. So think of kidney which acts as a natural water purifier in your body. An adult produces 1 to 1.8 liters of urine per day. So urine contains 95% of water, and it contains 2.5% of urea and 2.5% of other waste products. And second, we have urethras. So this urethras is a two thin tubes that carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. So urethra is a tube-like structure that carry urine from kidneys to the bladder. And then we have urinary bladder. So urinary bladder is a muscular storage bag where urine is kept until it is released. So it is a bladder. The bladder is a baggage which stores urine until it passed out through the urethra. The last we have the urethra. So the external opening through which the urine moves out of the body or leaves the body is known as urethra. So what are the organs involved in the excretory system? One is kidney, which helps in filtering the blood and reabsorbing the useful materials or the nutrients and release urine. And then ureterus. So ureterus is a tube-like structures which carry the urine from kidneys to the bladder. And then we have the bladder, which stores the urine in them until it is passed out of the body. And the last one is urethra, which is an external opening through which the urine leaves the body. So not only these major parts, along with them, the hormones also play a major role in the excretion. So what are the hormones which regulate the urine formation or the waste formation in the body? The first one is the ADH, antidiuretic hormone. So this hormone helps to control water reabsorption. And then we have the aldosterone, so which controls sodium and potassium levels in the body. And then atrial natriuretic factor, ANF. So this reduces body pressure by increasing urine volume. So once urine is formed, it travels through kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. So excretion is a process where it removes toxic waste, maintains water balance, regulates temperature in the body, and maintains acidity and alkalinity. Along with it also helps in regulating the osmoregulation. So sweat is an excretory product. So sweat contains the water salt. So sweat is the excretory product which contains the water and salts. So when the sweat dries, especially in summer, it leaves white patches on clothes, right? So these are the salt deposits which we come across. And evaporation of sweat cools our body. So just like how the water in earthen ponds stays cool due to evaporation. So sometimes what happens, the kidney fails to do their function due to some injury or infection. So while these kidney, when they cannot filter blood, the toxins accumulate rapidly. So in these cases, the patient needs dialysis. What they need? They need to undergo a dialysis where artificial machine filters the blood. So this is a life-saving procedure. So next we will move into the excretion in other animals. So fish secretes ammonia. So here it requires a lot of water to produce the waste. So fish excretes ammonia. Birds and reptiles excrete uric acid. So it is a semi-solid and conserves waters. And then human and mammals excretes urea. So this shows how excretion is adapted to habitat and water availability. Okay, so this is all about excretion in animals. So in the next video we'll move forward with the same chapter where we will discuss about the transportation in plants. So until then, see you in the next video, and if you find this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.